Hello, it's me. Welcome back to the world of Craig. Now that's some quite incredible neon graphic hair. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you not only how to perfect a canvas, but the placement for those graphic stripes. Yes, the gorgeous Dino is back here on my channel. Let's have a look at his hair before we get into any lightning. Now you can see here on the back that he's been using an at-home violet shampoo, and that has deposited quite a lot of tone and some depth. His regrowth at the root is slightly longer than I would ideally like, but we can deal with that. Keep watching for some top tips and my go-tos for removing that violet shampoo buildup. First things first, as I'll be using the incredible K18 Molecular Pre-Treat Mist, I go in with a light spritz of water. Just a little bit of water here to open the cuticle ready for the mist. Now the mist is slightly alkaline, very slightly, and that means it penetrates deep into the cortex, letting the peptide repair the hair and get it ready for any chemical services. I used 4 to 5 sprays on each section of Dino's hair, but obviously the amount you use depends on the length and the thickness of the hair that you're working on. So after waiting 4 minutes for K18 to do its thing, it's time to go in with some lightener. I'm using 20 volume here, mixed 1 to 2 with bleach powder. I'm all about ratios and peroxide levels, and I have a video all about it here on my channel. I shall pop it up in the corner. There it is now for you to check out. I'm applying plenty of product and making sure I mix fresh lightener for every single quadrant. Now, just as I like to mix fresh product as I go, I find using foil in between each section once I've applied my product really helps with lift. The aluminium foil conducts body heat, giving you a clean, even lift at a lower peroxide level. And to add here that on lighter natural bases like Dino's, it's a great way of ensuring there's no heat band. Okay, so once the back was ready, we rinsed it off, and now it's time to trust the process and deal with that shampoo buildup. I generally work on damp hair when removing tone for 2 reasons. The first one is it's much easier to manipulate the hair and spread out the mix, which is on screen now. And the second one is I have the contrast between the fresh hair at the root and the built up overtoned hair on the ends. Once rinsed and shampooed, I went in with 1 pump of K18 mask before toning. My formula for this is on screen now. Now it's time for that graphic neon placement. I'm a huge fan of Overtone's colour and conditioner. Not only are they super vibrant, but they fade on tone, and the texture makes them really easy to apply. Often, it's the most simple placement that looks the most striking, and this one is really simple. It's just 3 bold panels. Oh, there is the Overtone colour and conditioner in vibrant magenta. And you can see it's just 1 panel on top of the other, super clean lines, and using the foil to separate the colours in between. Finishing off with that delicious neon yellow, and a chance for me to say thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell notification. There's loads more, goodness me, that result. There's loads more hair day to day on my Instagram, which is on screen now. I'll see you all in the next one.